I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain.
Hey everyone, it's Kelly. How are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, whoop whoop, celebration. We are day one post lockdown in Adelaide. Freedom, I won't let you down. Yeah, so it's super exciting. So I just thought I would do a vlog because we have a few things to do. Thank God, because our kettle died in lockdown, so I need to buy a new kettle. And we need a new toaster because the release mechanism on the side doesn't work. And not that that's really important, but you know how sometimes you go to double toast and then you're like, oh, I need that out. So yeah. But Jeremy said we can get a coffee machine. So on the weekend, I think we're going to go and check out what's available. So that's exciting. And what else? Oh, and Kira apparently needs a new office chair, a new pillow, a whole lot of stuff. So a Kmart trip is in my future today. My son has gone to school. We were up at stupid o'clock this morning because Wednesday is one of his early classes. Oh, so yeah, so I have Zumba today, which is exciting. We have some new songs, so that's going to be lots of fun. My hall capacity is 1 per 8 meters square, so I can fit 37 people in this hall and have a list of about 30 people, so that's going to be good. I can easily fit them in. Everyone well spaces out anyway, so it's never been an issue in any of my Zumba classes. But I've had a few number restrictions with my other classes due to the hall sizes that I teach in. So that's a bit disappointing because I've had to cancel one of my classes until restrictions ease. Not that, you know, we think there's any issues because most people have been home anyway, but do the right thing because I don't want to get a fine. The weather in Adelaide today is terrible. I have just driven through a massive downpour. I nearly pulled over, but I had cars all around me, and so it was a bit dangerous to do that. So I just drove like 40, and I need to get petrol today, and petrol is $1.65 a litre, so I'll be getting like $5 worth until petrol goes down. It's just ridiculous. Alright, so I'm going to go inside, set up, ready for Zumba, meet all my lovely people, and yeah, we'll see what the day takes us. Alright, let's go. Hello, it's post Zumba. We had a really good class. We had 12 people come, so I think a few people are a bit scared to still come out, so that's totally fine because it's the older generation group. Lots of people had appointments today actually, so which was surprising. Quite a few people said they thought they'd still be in lockdown for another week, so they made appointments and stuff like that for today, doctor's appointments. Yeah, but still, it's good to get back, and we had some new songs, so that was exciting. Then I tried to record some new songs for YouTube. That was hilarious because I forgot a few things and the music balance is a bit out, so I have to play around with that. But I'll see if I can try and fix it for another time because I'd love to put up a new track because the last playlist I put up was really popular. So I'm going to work on that. I am going to stop off at Coles for a sneaky look, but I have to pick up my son early from school because due to COVID there's no clubs and sessions today, so yeah, he'll do an early finish today. So we're off to that, and I'll check in with you wherever we end up next. Hello everyone, how are you? So I thought I'd just hit the shops for a couple of markdown hunting because can't help myself. So I've got my mask, so I'm protected, and hardly anyone in the shops, and everyone's giving everyone a wide berth anyway. So I went to Woolworths first and picked up this pack of 12 melting moments for $3. They're normally $4, so I saved $1. I can make these myself, but sometimes it's just nice to buy them because also I spend a lot of time and effort making them and they disappear just as fast in the house, so I'll let someone else make them for a change. Then I went to Foodland. Oh my gosh, one day out of lockdown and I'm losing my memory. So I got some iced coffee, $1.49, so that's my breakfast at $12.23. I got a litre of pine coconuts for 99 cents. Juice is $2 for 2 litres. I got a just over 1.078 kilos bowl of roast for $9.99. And then I got the same 1.074 kilos chicken breast chunks for $7.99. So I will still chop these in half and then we'll cook half and then freeze half for meals. So was $9.99 a kilo down to $7.99 a kilo. So I'm happy to pay yeah, anything under $9.50 for a kilo of chicken. So yeah, so they're my deals so far. Not sure if I'm going to do anything else today, but yeah, all for you guys. Hopefully I'll get a few more things tomorrow because I'm told that post lockdown is the time to strike for markdown. So who knows? Research, that's what it's all about. I'm doing my research. I'm doing my due diligence. I have my mask and I have quite a few surgical masks here as well. If I need them, if something happens, I can swap over. So I've always got those here. So we will press on and I'll see you soon. Hey guys, so I'm just cleaning up the kitchen at the same time that I cook dinner. I never actually made it to Kmart because by the time I got home this afternoon I had to do some more paperwork for Zumba and notify people about classes and things like that. And I've also just found out that my Thursday morning class at the gym has been cancelled due to lack of space, so I won't be markdown shopping in my usual spots, but we'll see what the day brings. Thanks so much for having the day with me. I've enjoyed chatting to you guys and I look forward to catching up with you soon. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I enjoy catching up with many of you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.